my Chevrolet app. So how to install it on your phone. So just tap cat and then you should be able to double click and install it. And yeah, that's like the top app. This convenient tool to help simplify and add control and reach your vehicle's full potential. Stay in touch and comment whether you're in your vehicle or out. Access helpful features like remote commands right on your home screen, and even check the estimated fuel level or charge status of your electric vehicle. So yeah, that's the idea of the app. And then you just have it here. Your app your way, the My Chevrolet mobile app. Quite an advanced app, and then it's only available in this areas, so United States. So you can continue with your GM account. You can continue as a guest. If you own a vehicle, you can still see some of the app benefits. It's pretty cool. So it's just a nice app, and yeah, quite a lot of things you can look in here. This is just an overview for you. So yeah, try it out.